This is a meeting which is happening at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg with Rajnath Singh along with JP Nadda, who are in attendance for this meeting which is taking place at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. So this meeting is coming just hours ahead of that NDA meeting which will take place at 4 p.m. Prime Minister Amit Shah, JP Nadda and other top leaders are holding meet with senior PMO officials. So that is the latest that is coming in. Meet with senior PMO officials which is underway of Prime Minister Modi, JP Nadda and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. So crucial discussions, deliberations taking place at this stage. This is a meeting which is coming just hours ahead of the NDA meet which will be taking place at 4 p.m. this evening. We will also go across to Shivangi, who is outside 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. But this is a meet which is taking place at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. Let's go across to Riyanka, who's joining us live right now. Riyanka, give us details of this meeting which is taking place. We understand that Union Home Minister, Prime Minister Modi and JP Nadda are holding meet with senior PMO officials.
That's right. Currently, the meeting of the cabinet is underway, and Home Minister Amit Shah and Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, are a part of this key meeting that is taking place. And a recommendation to dissolve the 17th Lok Sabha has been given now. And there will be, of course, the formation of the 18th Lok Sabha once this particular 17th Lok Sabha gets dissolved. But before that, there needs to be, a proving of the majority by the BJP, which is why there are several meetings that are being held today. After this cabinet meeting, there will be the NDA meeting, the crucial meeting, which will take place at around 4 p.m. at JP Nadda's residence. And during this meeting, a key plan, a strategy will be chalked out as to what needs to be done next. Remember how Prime Minister has in fact asked for a support letter that needs to be given by the NDA allies, so that at a crucial juncture the allies do not move from this particular alliance to the India alliance. On the other hand, the India alliance all set to hold their strategic meeting today at 6 p.m. So several of these meetings will be taking place to decide the future course of action as to what will happen next, who will be forming the government. Very important to note here that Nitish Kumar has already arrived in the national capital, and Tejasvi Yadav was also.
Yes, Riyanka, just hold your thoughts. We will just come across to you again. Let's also go across to Shivangi, who's joining us live from outside 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. Shivangi, a very crucial cabinet meet which is underway as we speak. Talk to us about whether the portfolio allocation is one of the focal points of discussion in this meet which is underway.